Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make mango smoothie recipe to reduce bad cholesterol. This healthy and delicious mango oat smoothie is a true dietary to drink. This smoothie is fully packed with protein and fiber that will keep you full for long. Ingredient: 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder, 1 banana, 2 mangoes, 1 lemon and some oats, 2 cup of milk or 1 glass milk. Soak the oats in milk for some time. Now we have to cut our fruits and lemon like this. Now these oats are ready. Put all the ingredients in a blender jar. Blend until it gets smooth. Add the ice cube and blend again. Now it is ready. Put it into a glass and enjoy. Mango are good for health as they help to lower cholesterol level as they are packed with vitamin C, dietary fiber and antioxidants. Oats are also healthy for heart as it contains soluble fiber that control your cholesterol level. Flaxseed may also help lower cholesterol levels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.